6 ways that you might be damaging your hair and how to fix it. Hello, this is Ravi from Navjot. Let's talk about the causes and I'll enlist the fix along with it. Some of these tips go for short hair and some go for medium to long hair. Tip number 1. Pouring hot water on your scalp. Guys, please do not do this. Hot water strips the scalp of essential oils called sebum. The right way to wash or co-wash your hair is to use lukewarm water whilst you're shampooing, and afterwards use cold water. If you just want to wash your hair with cold water, that works well too. Also, it is advisable that you wash your hair upside down or to the sideways like this. Imagine you're washing your hair like this. Now it is helpful as it avoids clogging the pores of the body when the dirt or oil is traveling down whilst you're rinsing it whilst washing your hair. Tip number 2. Detangling your hair vigorously. Here's a little demonstration. This is vigorous detangling. Guys, please be kind to your hair and your scalp. Please be kind. This is a big no. This causes breakage and plucks the hair. Instead, pause and take your time. Create some layers and then work on it gently. Use gentle strokes. Also, if you can, use a hair conditioner at the ends to detangle the hair easily. This was hair detangling. Tip number 3. Using a shampoo every day and choosing the wrong ingredients. Your hair is like fiber. Excess washing damages it. Either way, using one every day or not using would accumulate excess oils on the scalp. Finding the right shampoo is important to maintain the right oil balance on the scalp. Avoid harsh ingredients. Now, I have a detailed video on shampoo essentials. Please go watch it. I'll link the video down in the description box. Tip number 4. Not using a hair conditioner frequently. The hair, especially the tips, become dry as it is exposed to pollution rays of the sun. To fix this, a conditioner helps. When using a hair conditioner in my hair care regimen every other day, no matter my hair length, I use it from mid-length to full length. I let it sit on for at least 3 to 4 minutes and even comb it gently while I'm in the shower. Now the key is to comb very gently. Use gentle strokes. It helps avoid any breakage. Tip number 5. When the hair gets exposed to heat, either from a hairdryer or from the rays of the sun when you're heading out, it gets damaged. For instance, holding a hairdryer closely at high heat setting or using a hair straightener at high temperature. How to fix it? The fix is to use a product that is a pre-styling product. I like to use a hair serum. I like to use it before styling and after styling. I even use it when I'm heading out. Invest in a quality product that is a quality hairdryer that gives off negative ions. That is a great fix to get rid of heat damage. You can also use a hair oil that has natural SPF that can protect against the rays of the sun and the heat from the hairdryer. Tip number 6. Sleeping with long hair while it can damage your hair due to the stress generated between the head and the bed. To fix this, I like to sleep with my hair all the way up, or I like to tie a loose bun on top of my head. This way, I'm able to avoid the breakage. Well, there's a bonus tip also I like to speak of. It is no trimming the hair, regardless of your hair length, whether it is medium hair or it is long hair. Guys, please trim your hair regularly. If you're not trimming the hair, the split ends tend to travel all along the roots and it can lead to unhealthy hair. Well friends, this is all about I had to offer. Some of these tips work for short hair as well. Always remember to treat your hair gently whilst styling, washing or drying. If this video was helpful, please click on the like button. Consider clicking on the subscribe and the bell icon for more such videos. Thank you to all my viewers. I'll be looking forward to seeing you very soon. Take care of yourselves. Goodbye.